Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Chipko Movement. The Chipko Movement started in India to protect trees and forests. It began in 1973 in a small village in Uttarakhand. Chipko means to hug, and people hugged trees to save them. Villagers, especially women, played an important role in this movement. They stopped loggers from cutting down trees by standing near them. The movement taught everyone the importance of trees for our environment. Trees gives us oxygen, fruits, shade and help prevent soil erosion. The Chipko movement inspired other efforts to save nature in India and the world. It showed how people working together can make a big difference. The movement reminds us to love and protect nature for a better future. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.